In this video, I will show you how you can use Magic Eraser on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. There are two methods to do that. The first method only works on the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max, and the second method will work on the iPhone 15, the 15 Plus, as well as on the Pro series. Now for the first method, just open the Photos app, and from here just select a photo from which you want to remove an object. For an example, I'll select this photo. Now to use the Magic Eraser tool, just tap on Edit. From here, just tap on Tools. From the Tools section, just tap on Clean Up. Just wait for a few seconds, and after that, just mark over the object which you want to remove from your photo. Now after you select the object which you want to remove, then tap on Clean Up, and you will remove the object from your photo. Just like that. Now just tap on Done to save. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Then in the App Store, just search this. And from here, just install this app on your iPhone. Once the app is downloaded, now just tap on Open and tap on Sign In. Now just complete the sign-in process by signing in using your Gmail account. Now after you complete the sign-in process, just tap on Let's Go and select Allow. Tap on Continue and select Allow Full Access. And just tap on the X icon over here. Now in Google Photos, just select the photo from which you want to remove an object. For an example, I will select this photo. Now to remove an object from the photo, just tap on Edit. And from here, just swipe to the left side and select Tools. Under the Tools section, just tap on Magic Eraser. Now just circle over the object which you want to remove. Now after you do that, the selected object will be removed from your photo. Now if there are any traces or marks or any shadows of the object, you can select them one more time. And you can remove the shadows from your photo. Now once you're satisfied with the edit, you just tap on Done and select Save. Now you can either save it and you can replace the original photo, or you can save it as a copy. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.